This is Viking.
We're gonna hit that! Right, are you ready?
Where do you think I can go?
Oh shit!
Oh, let's do it now!
What's up, drivers? Welcome to 6 Minute Saturdays. I'm your host, Dashcam Hull. Let's see what's been happening in Hull since the last one. New AI traffic cameras are coming back to Hull after a trial which convicted almost 1,000 people, over half of which were not wearing a seatbelt. Now, I know Hull is a depressing place to live, but I didn't think things had gotten that bad. If not for yourself, then at least buckle up so that you don't become a lethal human missile. Twala Omar of Hull got busted as part of a human smuggling gang who somehow managed to squeeze a Vietnamese woman into a glove box. Well, it certainly can't have been a Citroen. And over in London, Stormzy has been banned from driving for 9 months for using his phone behind the wheel. Word has it Cycling Mikey is already working on his diss track. You ain't got no sense. It's time to hand out the award for this month's donkey.
You f***ing donkey!
An MX-5 driver dangerously overtakes Emu before tailgating the Toyota in front. As the MX-5 goes to overtake the Toyota, it's clear that the Toyota speeds up, which heavily triggers the MX-5 driver. A little further up the road, the MX-5 driver traps the Toyota before having a word with them and punching them through the window. Bad luck club indeed, as Emu sent this footage to the police, and you've now also earned yourself the Donkey Award on DCH. But we're not finished with the hilarity from Emu just yet. Thanks to this corner curb, Emu ends up headbutting his steering wheel. And he even almost earned himself a Darwin Award by forgetting to engage his handbrake before working on his car. Have a week in bed, Emu. Honestly, mate, I think you need it. Recently, I caught the perfect example of a highway code conflict. Rule 74 states for cyclists, do not ride on the inside of vehicles signalling or slowing down to turn left. But Rule 183 for drivers states, give way to any vehicles using a bus lane, cycle lane or cycle track. Both me and the cyclist in this clip obey these rules, and it leaves us at a total standstill.
Waiting on you, mate, come on. No.
So how does this resolve? Yep. By both of us going at exactly the same time anyway, because we both lost our patience with each other.
Oh, you're joking. You're fucking joking.
I've done a few segments in the past of ripping my viewers to shreds, but today I'm actually going to be complimenting some of them. And first up is Augustine, who demonstrates a lot more patience than I just did. I'm not really sure where to start with this one. First of all, this C3 driver takes up an embarrassing amount of space before time and time again displaying such an embarrassing display of poor spatial awareness that it's impressive that she even holds a driving licence at all. Augustine remains calm and gets out of her way while she figures out this complicated manoeuvre. Next up is G-Man, who reads this situation like a book. One of those moments where a good driver compensates for the lack of ability of another. Subo prevents a potential collision with a quick pip of the horn. And finally, Warren G recognises the poor visibility and low confidence of the driver emerging up ahead, so just slows down and lets them crack on with it. Cheers everyone for sending these in. Now though, I must offer my sincerest preemptive apologies to a certain demographic of my audience as we take a look at some senior moments.
Not real, but it could be like 300%.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, commercial leases.
I guarantee you won't figure out why these two drivers in front abandoned their overtake of the bus until you see it. A clip I captured at Hull's train station continues to perplex me no matter how many times I watch it. I just can't for the life of me figure out what this guy's problem was. If anyone has any better answers, please do let me know in the comments.
What's happened there?
Going after you. What's that about? How bizarre. Anyway, that's all we have time for today. Please check out my links in the description to save yourself some money off your next dashcam. And if you like this video, give it a like, give me a sub, turn on notifications, and we'll have another chinwag really soon. Peace! Not gonna lie, yeah, I think my sister just won Christmas.